Coming soon to this theater. Sounds of the origin from the unknown realm. Never has there been a film so gruesome, so psychotic, that the president himself has ordered every copy to be destroyed. Sounds of the origin from the unknown realm. The film you'll wish you never watched. A picture that will send you straight to hell. Do not see this movie. It may ruin your life. It may ruin your life. Sounds of the origin from the unknown realm. You have been warned. There is no escape. You have been warned. Sounds of the origin from the unknown realm. Sounds of the origin from the unknown realm. Sounds of the origin from the unknown realm.